Hi, this is Anand from FESQUARE. So before starting my day in my office, I want to share a true story with you which greatly impressed me recently. So this is a true story, so listen carefully. Until 1954, the universal belief of the world taught that no human being or no man can run a mile in less than 4 minutes. The universe thought that only animals can run a mile in less than 4 minutes. But in 1954, a man came and his name is Roger Banister. He broke that belief. He ran a 1 mile distance in less than 4 minutes. From 1954 till 2019, over 20,000 people have done it. They have run a mile in less than 4 minutes. So what happened to those 20,000 people? Those 20,000 people knew that it has already been done by Roger Banister, so that they can also do it. So they had a belief, they had a new belief inside their heart that when he can do it, they can do it. So only from 1954 till 2019, over 20,000 people have done it, including a high school kid. So the lesson we have to learn from here is that if we have a strong hope and belief that when someone else can do it, we can also do it. When they can achieve their dream into reality, we can also achieve our dream into reality. So if you have a strong belief and hope that if someone else can do it, then you can also do it. So I follow this same principle every single day. I see my mentors who have achieved a huge success in real estate and business. So I see them every day and I say to my heart that when my mentors can do it, I can also do it. So same thing, if you do it with your mentors, or if you follow someone else who is really successful in your field, if you keep telling to your heart that when he can do it or when she can do it, I can also do it, then definitely the success is yours one day. So thanks for watching. With this, sign off from me, Anand from FESQUARE. See you in my next video. Until then, have a good care. Bye bye.